For today, I have two stocks, both short. HDIL certainly is looking weak from the real estate pack. Strong resistance is there around 7150. The way the structure is unfolding, looks like we should be able to see a level closer to around 60 in the days to come on HDIL. The second stock that looks weak to me is Reliance Capital. It's got exhausted in the upper regions of 370, came down, sideways consolidation and broke down. Looks like Reliance Capital is sliding down to levels closer to 325. I would have a stop about 350 or 52 on Reliance Capital and trade short. But today, two stocks, both short, HDIL and Reliance Capital. On the futures front, I would trade Bank Nifty futures on the long side provided there's a rider. If it crosses 13,100, if it does not, I stay out. But if it crosses 13,100, we could see 100 or 150 points on Bank Nifty. So only if it crosses 13,100 we buy, otherwise we stay out on Bank Nifty. And Nifty is not clear.
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short Tata Global in the cash segment at 147, holding the short position so initiated with a stop loss at 148.5, expecting to book profits at 144 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short in Tata Power in the cash segment at 79 mark, holding these short positions so initiated with a stop loss at 80, expecting to book profits at 77 or end of the session, whichever comes first. In the futures space, I would want to short May futures of Reliance Power at 68 levels, holding these short positions with a stop loss at 69, expecting to book profits at 66.5 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
One stock that can be looked at from buying perspective is ITC. The stock has been seeing many of multiple spinning candles, and the placement of these multiple spinning candles is around the support level, which makes it more important in terms of creating an argument, at least as far as bargain hunting is concerned. So at this juncture, a chance can be taken of picking up the stock and bought into with stop loss at 335 and a target placed at 375. Another pick would be Hindalco. Hindalco has been doing fairly well as far as medium term is concerned. There is a wedge formation on the medium term scale, which was seen getting broken out. After that, some amount of consolidative price action, and once again we're getting this particular stock at a bargain. And today's price action on Hindalco, rather previous day's price action on Hindalco is confirmative of the fact that there is a possibility of further move up, and if the momentum continues, there is headroom in this particular stock up to 165 levels. So a trade can be taken at current levels with the stock placed around 131, which is around the swing lows of the current move, and could aim at a target of 160 to 165.
Navneet, buy in a Can Bank, stop loss 293, target 330. A sell in Reliance Capital, stop loss 347, target 325. And for FNO traders, a sell in Idea May futures, stop loss 134.50, target 122.
On stock calls, I think PSU remains the consistent theme, whether it's banks or energy or anything else. So you have to go along with PSUs of all hues. Canara Bank broke out yesterday, so that's a buy with a stop of 298, target of 315. REC is a buy with a stop of 240, target of 256. Bank of India is a buy with a stop of 236, target of 253. Crompton Greaves is a buy with a stop of 160, target of 178. And now, on the short side, you can look at techs and even your social media type of companies. So Just Dial continues to remain weak. Sell this with a stop of 1020, target of 975. And HCL Tech sell with a stop of 1395, target of 1350.
A couple of banking stocks on the buy list. I would suggest buying into Andhra Bank if it starts getting past 68.5. Buy then with a stop below 66, look for targets of 75. Canara Bank is a buy with a stop below 296, look for targets of 320 in the short term. Cipla is a sell call, sell with a stop below, a stop above 399, look for targets of 375, slightly positional call given that Cipla is a low beta stock. HUL is a sell with a stop at 570 and I'm looking for a new low around 535 levels. And I've got a buy on REC with a stop below 238, suggesting a target of around 260 on the upside.